Hello. Thank you for joining me today on Paint Therapy with Jenny Bean. Today I wanted to show you how to do a dirty pour. And this is paint left over from the Kiss pour that we did last week. I'm just combining them from 2 cups into 1 cup. And this is with red, blue, yellow, white, bronze, and green. The way I'm going to try it today is we're going to pour it into 5 spots. You can certainly do 1 or any other number you'd like. I've seen a few different methods online, and this one looked like to be the most fun. And just pour until you have enough paint on the canvas. If you're not sure how much you need, you can look up a guide online. Then you just want to start tilting to one side. Go until the paint starts to pour off the corner, and then shift it back to the middle. Then pick another corner and go to that side. And just make sure you get the edges in there. Go back to the middle. Pick a new corner. Back to center. And we're just going to get that final one on this side. Let me know if this is something you've tried, if you've mastered, if you're still struggling with it. Let me know. It's taken me a while to get this down as well. Then shift back to the middle. And we're just going to cover this side a little more. Back to center. Here you can see what it looks like after about 30 minutes. See all the fun colors that have popped out. Here's after a couple days of it drying. See all the reds, yellows, oranges, and the fun purples and browns. Super cool. This is probably my favorite one out of the 3 I've done recently. And here's after a few more days with the clear coat. See how shiny it is. Love that glossy coat. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any other ideas, just drop a comment. If you like this video, hit subscribe. I will have this canvas up for sale on my Instagram. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you have a good one. Thank you.